Hi everyone, this is Sairaj from AIML and my topic is KD trees, that is K-dimensional trees. K-dimensional trees. A KD tree, also called as a K-dimensional tree, is a binary search tree where data in each node is a K-dimensional point in space. In short, it is a space partitioning data structure for organizing points in a K-dimensional space. Here, we can see in this K-dimensional tree, each node contains their k dimensions. That is, for example, here the key indicates the number of dimensions. For example, here we can take two dimensions, that is x and y. If we take three dimension, that is x comma y comma z. As in this node, it contains the data in the dimensions, that is either 2 or 3 depending upon the number of dimensions. A non-leaf node in KD tree divides the space into two parts called a half spaces. Points to the left of the space are represented by the left subtree of that node, and points to the right of the spaces are represented by the right subtree. And if we take one tree, KD tree, the left of that root node will take it as left subtree, the right of the root node will take it as right subtree. It follows its properties same as BST, that is binary search tree. For the sake of simplicity, let us understand 2D tree with an example. Here the 2D tree means two-dimensional tree, that is x and y. The root node have an x alignment plane and the root children would have both have y aligned planes. Here, as we said, it is a two-dimensional tree. The root node starting, it contains the x alignment plane. It is contained in the x alignment plane, and these root node children's contains in the y alignment plane. Both have y alignment plane, and their root children would have the x alignment plane, and the root great children would have the y alignment plane. Similarly, it as the tree increases, it changes x and y, it goes simultaneously. How to determine if your point lies in this left subtree or right subtree? Here simple, same as the BST, that is binary search tree. If the root node is aligned in plane A, for example, if the root node value, if the nodes which are there towards the left side of the nodes are the less than the root node, the nodes which are there in the right side of the root node are the greater than root node, greater than values should be there in the right subtree. Same as the BST. Here, see, if the root node is aligned in plane A, then the left subtree will contain all points whose coordinates in that planes are smaller than the root node. If the right subtree is contains all the points whose coordinates in that planes are greater than equal to the root node. Here, we will take some creation of 2D tree. Here we are taking 2D tree as an example to construct a KD tree. Let's see with one example. Here we have considered some planes 3, 6, 17, 15, 13, 15, and so on. Here we have taken, and these represents 3, 6 represents the 3 is x dimension and this 6 is the y dimensions, as it is 2D tree. That means two-dimensional tree. Let's first 3, 6. As we don't have any other root node, take it as 3, 6 as a root node, and this starting root node is with x alignment plane. And next take 17, 15. Here first we have to compare 17, 15 with root node. Here we have two values, and we have to compare it with this 3, because as this is root node is in the x plane, we have to compare this 17, 15 with this x coordinate. Here the 17 is greater than the 3 value. Yes, 17 is greater than the 3. As this 17 is greater than this 3 value, it should be there to the right side of the root node. That is 3, this 17, 15 should be there to the right side of the 15, right side of this root node, and this plane is y. As we discussed earlier, the children of the root node should be there in the y plane, as this is x and this is y. Similarly, here 13 comma 15. Here we can see 13 comma 6 15. X value of this point is greater than x value of point in root node. Here 13 is greater than this 3 value. That means these 13 comma 15 should be there towards the right side of the root node. And next, compare this 13 comma 15 with again this 17 comma 15. As this 17 comma 15 is y value, y dimension, and we have to compare this y dimension 15 with this 15. As this 15 is this is equally 15 is equal to this 15. So we have to keep this to the right side of this 15 comma 15. Here again compare y value is point y value of this 17 comma 15. Since they are equal, this point will be lies in the right side of subtree of 15. This point will be x. This is first x, and 17 comma 15 is y, and 13 comma 15 is x. Next, similarly 6 comma 12. 6 comma 12. In this x value is 6. As 6 is greater than this root value of 3. 3, as this 6 is greater than this 3, it should be there towards the right side of this right subtree of this 3 comma 6, that is root node. Next, compare this 12 value with this 15, and this 12 is less than 15. It should be there toward the left subtree of this 17 comma 15. Yes, same as BST, but we have to compare here with x and y values. So here this is only one thing we next. Similarly, insert 9 comma 1. Similarly, this point will be lies in the right side of the 6 comma 12, and similarly insert the 2 comma 7. Similarly, this point will be lies in the left side of 3. Here you can okay. The final KD tree, the two-dimensional KD tree is this. Here we said here 9 comma 1. 9 comma 1. First we have to compare this 9 with this 3. As this 9 is greater than the value of 3, it should be there in the right side of this tree. And we have to compare this 1 with this 15. As we have 6 and 12, we won't compare with this, and we have to compare this again 9 value with this 6. Yes, 9 value is greater than this 6 value, so it should be there to the right side of the this 6 comma 12. Okay, we have discussed till now. We have discussed the construction of the KD tree with an example of two-dimensional tree. This now it is how is space partitioned. All points will be plotted in the x comma y as follows. Here 3 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 17 comma 15. We have to plot it onto the graph. For example, here we can see this point is 3 comma 6. Here this point is 2 comma 7, and this point is 6 comma 12. And we have to plot all the nodes into this graph. Then after this 2 comma 7, first 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6 is the root in which plane 3 comma 6 is in the x plane. So it is divide this x plane into two halves, into two parts. Draw x line, x equal to 3. This is the 3 comma 6 line. It divides this plane x into 3. Why it divides the x plane only? Because it is lies in this 3 comma 6 in the x alignment plane. So similarly here 2 comma 7. Here you can see 2 comma 7. Here 2 comma 7. As 2 comma 7 in which plane? 2 comma 7 in y plane. So it divides the y plane into two parts. Here 2 and here 7. Similarly, 17 comma 15. Where is 17? Here 17 comma 15. As 17 comma 15 is the y plane, it divides the y plane into this, into two parts. And 6 comma 12. Here 6 and this is 12. Here you can see 6 comma 12 is dividing this x plane into two parts. And 13 comma 15. 13. Here the 13 and here the 15. It divides the y plane into two parts. This is what means we are discussing here space partition, how it is partitioned into the graph, and we are plotting it graphically here. 9 comma 1. Here, where is 9? 9 comma 1. It divides the y plane into 2. Why it is dividing the y plane? Because it aligned in the y plane only. 9 comma 1 node is aligned in the y plane, as we have seen now in the construction of the KD tree. Similarly, we have to draw these lines of all the nodes. If node to be deleted, if is a leaf node, similarly delete it same as BST. That is binary search tree. If node to be deleted as right child as a not null, different from BST, find minimum of current nodes dimensions in right subtree. Replace the node with above found minimum and recursively delete minimum in right subtree. Else, if node to be deleted has left child has not null, different from BST. If find minimum of current node dimensions in left subtree, replace the nodes with the above found minimum and recursively delete minimum in left subtree. Make new left subtree as right child of current node. Here you can see with one example, delete 30 comma 40. Since the right child is not null and the dimensions of node is x, this dimension is x. We find the node with minimum x value in right child. The node is 35 comma 45. Replace the 30 comma 40 with 35 and delete the. And here the process is we have to delete this 30 comma 40, which is root node. So next we have to replace it with the minimum x value. As this is x dimension, x value, we have to replace it with the minimum x value. Here minimum x value is 35 comma 45. So we delete this 30 comma 40 and we will replace this 30 comma 40 with this 35 comma 40. Here the resultant of the deleted after the deleting the root node. Similarly, here you can see 70 comma 70. The dimensions of node is y. Here the dimensions of the node is y. Since the right child is null, we will find the node with minimum y value on left child. The node is 50 comma 30. We replace the 50 comma 30, 70 comma 70 with 50 comma 30 and recursively delete 50 comma in left subtree. Finally, we make the modified left tree. Here we want to delete this 70 comma 70. As we don't have any right side nodes, we will go to the left side nodes. This is aligned in the y plane, and we have to, whatever this the 50 value is there, we have to replace 50 comma 30 value. We have to replace the 70 comma 70 with 50 comma 30, and we will delete this 70 comma 30. Why we replace this 30 comma 50 comma 30 mean here we find with minimum y value. What is the minimum y value? This is 30. Because why we have to take minimum value? As this is left subtree of this 70 comma 70, we have to take the minimum value of this x y value. So why we are taking here y value? Because the 70 comma 70 is aligned in the y value. So we will take the y value with minimum value. This is resultant of this deleted after the deleting the 70 comma 70. Thank you.